Welcome to News Now YouTube channel. Police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Breaking news out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. Police officer arrested and charged for insane behavior. Cops owned. Police officer Christopher Scher's appeal of the federal lawsuit denied. Trial date set for ex Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Scher for the ending of one Patrick Lyola. Grand Rapids, Michigan. A trial date has been set for police officer Christopher Scher, the former Grand Rapids police officer who ended Patrick Lyola in 2022. Police officer Scher's trial is on account of second-degree ending of a man. Is now set to begin jury selection on April 21st, 2025. The jury itself is set to begin April 28th in Kent County Circuit Court. This comes after the Michigan Supreme Court earlier this month denied the police officer Christopher Scher's appeal in the case, saying it was not persuaded that the questions present should be reviewed by the High Court. Michigan Supreme Court denies the police officer's appeal request. This police officer is doing everything he can to get out of it. Accountability. Police officer Scher, then a Grand Rapids Police Department police officer, ended Patrick Lyola during a traffic stop in 2022. It shows Lyola running away from the police officer before the two struggled, allegedly over the officer's taser. The police officer Scher was on top of the victim, Lyola, trying to hold him down, eventually put one in the back of his head. Most likely for officer safety. We all know how that is. It's all about officer safety first with the thin blue line. Not about public safety, it's about officer safety first with the thin blue line. They know they got that full support from the police unions. They've got qualified immunity backing them up. Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Scher was charged in 2022 with second-degree ending of Patrick Lyola, but his attorneys have filed multiple appeals over whether the case should go to trial. No one disputes that the police officer ended the victim, Lyola. The legal question is whether it was an illegal ending, with the prosecutors saying Scher was not justified in the ending, while Scher argues he acted in self-defense. Give me a break. All these multiple weapon systems these police officers have. The district court judge ruled in 2022 that a criminal trial could move forward. Police officer appealed, arguing common law gives officers the right to use deadly force to arrest a fleeing felon. Michigan Court of Appeals heard arguments in 2023 and affirmed the ruling, sending the case to trial and rejecting Scher's appeal of the decision, arguing that the appeals court misstated or misconstrued the moments leading up to the ending. There you go. Basically, they lied about what happened, lied on the police report to cover up for the thin blue line. That's the way it sounds, and the appeals court saw through it. They saw the body cam evidence. They saw through the police reports. We all know, never trust a police officer. They're fully trained liars. They learned it on the first day of the police academy. 2 years after Patrick Lyola died, Grand Rapids waits for a trial. Say his name, Patrick Lyola. Say his name, Patrick Lyola. His family has also filed a civil rights lawsuit against a police officer alleging excessive force. I would agree it was excessive, extremely excessive. Attorney Ben Johnson, who is representing the Loyola family in the civil case, released a statement on the family saying that the long-awaited court date is not just about seeking justice for Patrick Loyola, but also about shedding light on excessive force by law enforcement. After countless efforts to delay the pursuit of justice, police officer Christopher Scher is finally set to face his criminal trial this April 2025. The family remains steadfast in their commitment to ensuring the victim, Patrick Loyola's voice, is heard, and they're determined to honor his memory as they prepare for their day in court. The family says it's about time. They've been delaying, defending this police officer. Now can they get a fair trial? A jury that's not fully stacked with law enforcement officers, court workers, government officials, family members of the courts and the government. Will they be able to get a fair trial? Can they get a conviction? It should be cut and dry, a conviction. Guilty. All the evidence is there, the body cam evidence. Viewers recorded it on their mobile devices. That evidence was used, all the more reason to always record the police, always film the police. That may be the only thing that saved Patrick Loyola and helping him get full accountability on this tyrant police officer, this bad cop, Christopher Scher of the Grand Rapids Police Department. Scher's representation released a statement. Their legal team says, with all the facts and circumstances presented to a jury, they feel they're confident that the case will be exonerated. Police officer Scher will be exonerated, according to their lawyers. I disagree. Watch the body cam evidence. Watch the videos. Abolish qualified immunity. We'll see if this jury will do the right thing and hold this police officer accountable here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Police officer arrested and charged for insane behavior, cops owned. And that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one.